we have a question that says, what steps can be taken to find the product of 8 and 31/100ths and 1,000? Well, product I know means the answer to a multiplication problem. So if I'm multiplying 8 and 31/100ths times 1,000, well, I know that that's the same as working a Mr. Dull question. Multiply right, divide left, because it's a power of 10 number. So I'll go ahead and write it down, 8 and 31/100ths times 1,000. Rewrite my power of 10 number. The number that's not the power of 10 number. I have my Mr. Dull. I'm multiplying, so I need to keep Mr., get rid of Dull, multiply right. There are 3 zeros in 1,000, so I'm going to move my decimal 3 times 1, 2, 3 to the right. So 1, 2, 3, one jump around each digit, new decimal, old decimal, and annex or add 1 0. So I get 8, 3, 1, 0. Decimals at the end, so it's a whole number. I don't really need it. I look here and I see A, move the decimal 2 places to the right. Well, I moved it 3, so that's no good. B, move the decimal 2 places to the right. No good. Move the decimal 3 places to the right and annex 1 0. That looks good. I'm going to check all options. Move the decimal point 3 places to the right and annex 2 zeros. That is not true, so C is my correct answer. Your question to solve. Derek has a collection of 10 model cars. Each car is 3 and 25/100ths inches long. If he lined up his cars in a row, how many inches long would the entire collection be? Pause the video, solve on your paper, then hit play and check your work. Okay, folks, so I can draw a quick model of this, 10 cars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If each car, and each means 1, is 3 and 25/100ths, I could go on adding that to my drawing. But if I'm trying to find how long the entire collection is, then I know that I would add all of this up, 3 and 25/100ths plus 3 and 25/100ths over and over and over again, which is repeated addition, and that's the same as multiplication. Because I have it 10 times, I could say 3 and 25/100ths times 10. Here again we have Mr. Dull. Power of 10 number. I am multiplying, so I'll keep Mr., get rid of Dull. Rewrite the number that's not the power of 10 number. I am multiplying 1 0, so I'll move my decimal 1 time to the right. New decimal, old decimal. So my correct answer is 32.5. These all have the digits 3, 2, 5, so it's important that I make sure my decimal is between the 2 and the 5. And the correct answer is